In My Skin is the story of 16-year-old Bethan Gwyndaf, who struggles to cope with her comical yet painful mental health issues. As we came to the end of this year's Mental Health Awareness Week, it was certainly apt that the film gained its deserved recognition at Bafta Cymru.
The last week, Mental Health Awareness Week, it's very a relevant topic. It's important that we're talking about these things, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, there is now this big movement from all sorts of directions, which is asking people to not feel ashamed about how they feel. When I was a little girl, nobody talked about anything. And it took me until I was like in my 30s or so to realise it was okay to talk about what was worrying me, what was upsetting me. I had serious depression and I had a lot of help and I got through it.
When I was a teenager going through this and feeling quite lonely and ashamed, if I'm honest, I felt ashamed that I had a parent with mental health issues because I didn't know that it was okay. I didn't know that other people were going through it. What we explore here is the fact that there should not be shame. Mental health issues are an illness like any other kind of illness, and they strike anyone down at any time. What we've done is, I hope, let other people know who either maybe are supporting someone with mental health issues or have mental health issues themselves that they're not alone.
And the importance of mental health discussion was certainly applauded at this year's Bafta Cymru, as the Actress Award was given to Gabrielle Creevy, who played Bethan in the film.
The writer's done an amazing job, Kaylee, and it's based on a true story. And I know a lot of, basically my character Bethan, I know a lot of those people, Bethan, so it's really nice to just do it for them. You know, do a little, people who care for their parents when they're ill. I think it shows mental illness in a different light.